The right customer cares about their image and the paint on their car, and some customers don't care. So we're just gonna say some people do and some people don't. There's vanilla and chocolate. Hot Wheels Camaro here. Pretty car. It's a Camaro just dressed up a little bit with some badging, right? I guess the customer at some point in time had aftermarket wheels put on. And with any wheels nowadays, curb rash. Curb rash could cost you getting new wheels, or curb rash is going to get you a trip to the rim shop. So I was told that the wheels had curb rash that someone repaired that was really bad. I'm going to show you on the other side. So what I did is I just did a skim coat on the wheels in the bad areas to see what I'm dealing with. That's that wheel. This one over here, you can see all that. So this was really heavy all around this wheel. It wasn't so bad up here, but you can see what I'm working on here. I don't know if I'm gonna fix that or fill it, or I gotta spend some time on it and see what the best approach is. Let's get to the other side. Please don't stop the music. It's a slow day here at the M. This wheel here, I'll kind of show you what the work was. So someone just went in there and put paint in there, paint in there, paint in there. So I didn't get to this wheel yet. And then I'm going to show you over here where you can see right there is some other paint work that was done. You can also see the red right there. Well, I guess this is the repair work. So this was someone's repair work, and it looks like it was painted. So they painted right over all the scratches, and then they went in and put a little red. And that's not a reflection because I can cover it with my finger. You can see it's in the wheel paint here. So they just paint. A wheel guy came out and they said, I don't want the wheel fixed, just paint over it. And that's exactly what they did. And you'd be shocked because we get those orders all the time. I don't care, just do this. I usually don't do work that way. I usually refuse it. If they want it done as right as it possibly can, then I'm your guy for you. And like I said, the average person wouldn't see a run in the paint work there, but I'm just showing you that's not bird poop, that's paint. And that's paint there too, and it's red paint. So I'm gonna go and fix all this stuff on every one of these wheels. Woosah. And sometimes you just gotta say, no, I'm not doing that work for you. No, just like the Lexus dealer told that customer, Jude, no, I will not just put a piece car. It's 4,500 or hit the bricks. And the customer hit the bricks.
Infinity, not Lexus.
Lexus. Oh, Infinity?
Infinity.
Sorry, Infinity. They said, sorry, sir, we're going to decline that job. You can hit the bricks. And he hit the bricks. And then he came here and we hooked him up.
I know that